How to fix Discord stuck on RTC connecting on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve this voice channel connection issue on your Android device. First, check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better. After that, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. From there, go to your home screen and long press on the Discord app icon and tap App Info. At this point, tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted data causing the connection issue. In the next step, open the Google Play Store and check if a Discord update is available and install it. Following this, open Settings, tap on Connections, then Mobile Networks, and make sure your network mode is set to LTE or 5G preferred. Finally, if the issue persists, go to Settings, tap on General Management, then Reset, and tap Reset Network Settings to clear any network configuration issues. And that's it. If this Discord guide helped you fix the RTC connecting error, give it a like, subscribe for more Discord tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates.